Atlassian is ending their server product line by 2024. And if you're still on server, it's time to start migrating now because there's less than 6 months before the actual support for server is finished. Atlassian Cloud is your perfect solution to migrate to with the right help, obviously. And no Mahmoud, our company, is here to help.
So Jack, thanks for joining us. Can you briefly introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your background?
I'm Jacques Stors. I've been working in the IT sector for more than 30 years. And in the last 7 years, I've been working as an Atlassian senior consultant for Nomad Mood.
So could you tell us a little bit about the focus of your webinar?
Atlassian in 2020 decided to discontinue their server product line. This includes Jira Server, Confluence Server, Bitbucket, and Bamboo servers. They've made the entire Atlassian community aware of this over these last couple of years. And the end of the server products is foreseen for February 2024. A lot of people are using server product. In this webinar, we'll be discussing how to migrate from your Atlassian server products to the Atlassian Cloud environment.
And who do you believe will benefit most from your webinar?
This webinar is interesting for all people that use Atlassian product, but especially, as I mentioned, those that are still using server, because the window to change to another platform, either data center or cloud, is less than 6 months from now. Top management will be interested because things like security, data integrity, and licensing will be discussed.
Can you share a sneak peek into the key takeaways from your webinar?
During the webinar, I'll discuss together with somebody from Atlassian who will be joining us, the different items that need to be taken into account when you migrate to cloud. You need to take different steps in order to get organized because you can't just lift everything and move it to cloud. You need some sort of planning, get your user involved, get your key users involved so they know what they are going to expect. Obviously, get a team and a sponsor that will help you finance this entire migration, and that's what we're going to talk about. I want to personally invite each of you to join me at the event. Please remember to register and secure your spot.